Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily change the picture mode in Diablo Immortal. To change the picture mode on Diablo Immortal, first of all go ahead and launch the game open, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner from the home screen. Once you're inside this page, click on the gear icon at the top right and it will open settings. From the left hand side, select graphics, and under graphics, you'll see the picture mode. In the picture mode tab, select one of the options from classic to vibrant, warm or cool according to your preference. And once you are done, you can close this screen off and you'll be able to notice the picture mode change. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.